In this lecture, we enter the world of traders and small business owners. The market woman with a shop full of provisions, the young man running a phone accessories store, the boutique owner, the supermarket manager, and the salon operator. Many such entrepreneurs believe artificial intelligence belongs to banks and big companies, yet AI is quietly transforming buying and selling in Africa. Those who ignore it risk being pushed aside. Those who learn to use it can multiply their efficiency, profit, and reach without renting a larger shop or hiring many new staff. The first area where AI helps traders is understanding sales and pricing. Most small businesses rely on memory or a rough notebook to track what sells and what does not. With simple point-of-sale apps and spreadsheets powered by AI, daily sales can be converted into clear summaries. Which products are moving fast, which days are busiest, which items rarely sell, and which combinations customers often buy together. An AI assistant can analyze this data and suggest price adjustments, discount strategies, or bundle offers. Instead of guessing, the trader makes decisions based on patterns, raising prices slowly on high-demand items, clearing slow-moving stock with targeted promotions, and planning purchases based on real demand. Inventory and stock control are another serious pain point. Many shop owners either overstock, tying up capital, or understock, losing sales. AI-powered inventory tools can learn from past sales and seasonal trends to predict how much of each item to order and when to order it. For example, the system can learn that drinks and snacks move faster during festive periods, or that certain school items see higher demand around resumption. It can then send reminders and even generate suggested purchase lists. This does not replace your judgment, but it gives you a smart starting point, reducing waste, stockouts, and emergency buying at unfavorable prices. Customer communication has also changed dramatically in the age of WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Many traders are overwhelmed by messages. How much is this? Do you deliver? Is this color available? What is your location? AI chat assistants can help handle routine questions, especially if you create a simple script of your common answers. Even without a formal chatbot, an AI writing tool can help you craft polite, clear responses, price lists, broadcast messages, and promotional campaigns. You can ask it to rewrite a confusing message into something professional or translate it into another language to serve customers from different backgrounds. Over time, your business develops a consistent voice that inspires trust. Marketing and branding are no longer the exclusive domain of large companies with advertising agencies. With AI-assisted design tools, a small trader can create neat flyers, social media posts, product labels, and even simple logos. You can take a clear photo of your goods, remove the rough background, add clean text, and post it as if a professional designer produced it. AI can suggest captions, discount announcements, and storytelling angles that speak to your target customers, such as busy mothers, students, office workers, or travelers. When used regularly, this elevates your business from just another shop to a recognizable mini-brand. Record keeping and bookkeeping, often overlooked by small businesses, can also be strengthened. AI-assisted accounting tools can categorize expenses, calculate profit and loss, and prepare simple reports you can show to banks or investors when seeking loans. Instead of handing a chaotic notebook to an accountant at the end of the year, you maintain a digital trail of your business's health. AI can even explain these reports in simple language: why your cash is always tight, which costs are eating into your profit, and how much you can safely withdraw without killing the business. This knowledge turns the trader from a hustler into a manager. Of course, AI is not a magic charm. If you enter incorrect data, you will still get wrong advice. If you run a fundamentally dishonest or disorganized business, no tool can save you. There are also risks: over-reliance on apps you do not understand, careless exposure of customer data, or believing every suggestion from a system without critical thinking. That is why the right attitude is not blind faith, but informed partnership. You remain the owner and decision maker. AI is a servant that helps you see more clearly, calculate faster, and present yourself better. The key message for traders and small business owners is this: AI is already in your world, whether you acknowledge it or not. It powers the recommendation engines on the online marketplaces you compete with, the ads your customers see, and the banking systems you use. You can choose to stand aside and complain that business is hard, or quietly add AI to your toolbox to support sales analysis, inventory planning, customer engagement, marketing, and financial discipline. Entrepreneurs who embrace this shift will find that even with the same shelves and the same goods, their business becomes brighter, smoother, and more profitable than before. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.